check this site out, which is in Chenag, a little further away from Manali. It's a little Airbnb project that we started off around 2 months back, and it's about near completion. Hopefully we end it in another 30 days. A lot of issues popping up every now and then, so although I was supposed to go only once a week, I have to go every day just to make sure that everything is working fine. So we're gonna check that place out today. And then we decided that we're going to break it, and then we created a sunroom outside.
और यह ऐसा काम अभी किया भी नहीं है। मैडम जो बता रही हैं वो ज़्यादातर विदेशों में काम होता है, इसलिए और ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है मैडम के साथ काम करने में।
Okay, so let me explain the process of how we came about this entire design theme for this cottage. The idea behind redoing this entire cottage was majorly, one was that we wanted to give it a very rustic look, but also have sort of a fresh modern element to it. An amalgamation of old with the new, sort of. Overall, I think initially we bounced off a lot of ideas, but a lot got cancelled. Number one of that list was painting the wooden panels white, which was a no-go, like a flat no. Wooden panels and wooden ceilings and wooden flooring is something that I really struggle with here with Manali cottages while I'm renovating these places, because it's yeah, it's wood, it's expensive, and it's used overly, like everywhere, and people don't want to mess with it. So for me to have my design aesthetics sort of placed with all of the wood around is a challenge that I face, and I am kind of enjoying it now, like to play with that. With the exteriors, I think both client and I were fairly comfortable with the changes that we wanted to do. When it comes to the interiors, I think initially the idea was to have a lot of it changed, but then we sort of got into an understanding that we wanted to make minimal changes but have maximum impact, and that is sort of the baseline of the entire design process. So even though we haven't changed the flooring, we haven't changed the ceiling, but overall the room has a different feel to it than what it was before we started, and you'll see that when you see the pictures now. Yeah, so that's basically it. I hope you enjoy. This was my second project, my first residential project for someone who's not family. And my second project, it was a huge project, and I think I should have thought about this before. So now I feel like I should do another video where I'm just explaining about the learning process and the curves for other interior designers who are just starting out. But this project was close to 5,000 square feet. So it was huge. It was huge, and I didn't know what I was getting myself into when I was getting myself into this. But I'm just happy that it all worked out in the end, and we have this beautiful property now.